drone battery is a crucial component. Its reliability and efficiency is essential to provide safe aerial operations. At the moment, lithium polymer batteries offer the highest electrical energy density among commercially available solutions. This type of battery is sensitive and requires special care and maintenance when charging, discharging and storing. In general, a lithium polymer battery is composed of one or usually more cells. Each cell has a nominal voltage rated at 3.7 volt. While this is a reference value, cell voltage varies between 4.2 volt when fully charged and 3.3 volt when full discharged. Therefore, it's forbidden to discharge lithium polymer batteries below their critical voltage level, that is about 3.2 volt. Otherwise, they may become broken and unusable. Lithium polymer batteries, assuming their state is fine, present a predictable discharge curve regarding the voltage. Therefore, monitoring the battery voltage reveals the amount of energy used so far. Furthermore, knowing the battery capacity gives information on the remaining power regarding current voltage. Thus, it corresponds directly to the remaining flight time. Like any other battery, lithium polymer batteries also wear out when charged and discharged, and over time their internal resistance may grow, and the battery can also swell. Those are symptoms to replace immediately. However, using a swollen battery and the one with high internal resistance affects the discharge curve, and you may find yourself with a drone falling out of the sky without a low battery warning in advance. Small drones may use single-cell lithium polymer, but that applies to the toys. Most drones use battery packets composed of multiple cells, usually connected in serial. Thus, 1S represent a single-cell battery with a nominal voltage of 3.7 volt. 2S represent two cells connected in serial, so battery pack nominal voltage is then 7.4 volt. 3S is a battery with three cells connected in serial, and so on. Charging any lithium polymer battery requires a dedicated microprocessor-driven charger that monitors the charge current, battery voltage, and balances individual cells connected in serial. Depending on the drone manufacturer, the battery may be an intelligent one that contains a balancer and monitoring, charging and discharging system within their case. Or KBN raw one, exposing all charging ports to the external balancer. The first option is simple to use and present in most commercial drones, including, in example, DJI. Batteries should be stored in a safe box and never abandoned for a long time fully discharged or fully charged. In raw batteries, the user must perform a storage charge or discharge operation itself. The storage voltage for each cell is about 3.8 volt. It relates to somewhere in between 60 and 70% of the total battery capacity. Intelligent batteries perform storage maintenance themselves, so do not be surprised that your battery has discharged itself. However, when left fully charged for a longer time, internal electronics automatically takes care of the discharging process to the safe storage levels. Raw batteries without built-in electronics have a significant advantage. You can move them from one device to another, replace them as willing, and update them with the new ones. And they usually cost much lower than dedicated ones. They require manual maintenance, however. When connected to the charger, raw battery packs present two connectors. A main connector for charge-discharge and an additional connector for balancing cells. When using a raw battery, it simply discharges over the main connector only. The dedicated commercial solutions with intelligent batteries use proprietary connectors and chargers with integrated electronics that balances cells during charge. However, some manufacturers, in example Unique, provide their batteries without protecting electronics but still with proprietary connectors. In this case, to extend such battery life, you will need to find an aftermarket adapter to use with a universal microprocessor charger and to handle the storage process yourself. Otherwise, the battery will quickly swell as the original charger has only a charge function and do not offer storage mode. While balancer connectors of raw LiPo packs are preliminarily standardized, main connectors vary depending on the maximum discharge current and battery application. For this reason, chargers used to be equipped with a variety of adapters. A good microprocessor-based charger, discharger and balancer with many cable adapters is an essential tool in the drone operator's garage, same as a screwdriver. It will not only let you charge LiPo batteries, but also other types of batteries and even check their cell's voltage, internal resistance and evaluate battery condition. Taking proper care of the lithium polymer battery will extend its lifetime and lower the aerial accident possibility.